Hey guys, today we are in my garage. Here is winter and it's cold in my country, so I was able to do my garage for my car. Now I will show you everything what I have here and how I am building my own garage. So now we are in the car. Here is warm, and now I want to show you some very special thing which I bought today. I had the chance to purchase it and I did it, and I'm very happy. That's why now I will show you what I have bought. So as you know from my previous videos, I have installed some chrome pedals here, have installed some cluster rings. Also my car had the factory wood steering wheel which matches this wood, and today I have bought this. So once again, this is the very rare part. You cannot simply write in the Google Mercedes AMG Shifter Knob and find this part. And if you find this, it will cost you minimum 300 euros if you buy this from Germany, and same amount of money if you purchase this from Japan. This was only option in Japan models and German models also, but I have not never saw the German spec E55 AMG which had this shifter knob. These are from Japan cars, Mercedes, which are imported from Japan. We know that every Mercedes is made in Germany, in Stuttgart. So this is the shifter knob. This is real wood, and this is original genuine AMG part. What I did to get this part, I gave my original shifter knob avant-garde, you know, leather stitching and other, and added about $17 US and got this. Check this. This looks simply awesome. Now I will show you. Here you can see the installation. It is very simple. You must push it, and then you must screw this button size of the shifter. The only problem which you can see if you are doing the job like this, some guys did not know that the removal of this stuff is not very easy. It is easy, but you must know how to do it. If you open this and you will screw this right and left, you will broke the clips inside. You must simply remove it and push it out. No, and up, push it up. In this case, inside of the tub there was some damage, and when I put this on the stick, it was moving. So I was able to do this problem right, solve this problem right, and I used some duct tape, some German-made duct tape, which is used on the many other jobs, and up of the stick I put very little amount of duct tape, and when I pushed it to its place, now you can see it is secured and it is installed and looks simply awesome. I cannot say my emotions now, but every Mercedes guy who loves Mercedes and who loves AMG knows what part is this. So now my interior of my car. Let's turn the light off so the battery life extend. It is cold outside. So now my car's interior is the wooden steering wheel, avant-garde wood here, and at least I was able to got this wooden shift knob. So guys, I won't say that 2 days ago I found this on eBay day and it was about 500 euros. You know, this is a rated part and my car finally got this. So guys, I'm very happy, and now I'm simply relaxing when I'm looking to this shifter knob. Now I will show you my garage, and it will be it will not be review, only the scene and picture of my garage, what is look like now. I am working on my tools. Now I'm waiting some screwdriver sets from Germany, and then I will buy some spanners and other sensors. You know, if you love your car, if you love your iron horse, you must do everything to be happy with it. So now let's see. Here is tight. It is very difficult to move out of the car. This is the duct tape about what I was talking to you. So here is my garage. Goodbye.